Hi, I'm Vikas Gupta, founder and CEO of Wonder Workshop. I want to thank all the students, coaches, the school, and the district for introducing and for the dedication to have every child learn computer science at a young age. And this is the vision we set on several years ago. And to see that come to life with every single student in 5th grade at Grand Blanc Community Schools participate in the Wonder League Robotics Championship has been very impressive and has blown us away, all of us away at Wonder Workshop. So I want to thank all of you for doing an incredible job in the competition, and I'm excited to see how many of the teams will actually find a spot in the invitational round. So good luck to all the teams participating today, and I'm excited to see what you guys create and invent in the years ahead. Thank you.
Hey Derry, did you hear about this school district in Michigan?
Oh, you mean Grand Blanc Community Schools? Who hasn't, Dash? Out of the last 3 years, Grand Blanc Community Schools has had the most students participating in the Wonder League Robotics competition ever.
That's right, Derry. This year, 650 fifth graders completed Mission 1, then 300 students went on to participate in Mission 2, and finally today, 60 students are participating in the All-District Robotics League Championship for Mission 3.
I know, but I wonder who's going to win first, second, and third prize. But I mean, all 14 teams really are winners. The 14 teams are the Blazing Barking Bulldogs,
The Phantom Programmers,
the Firebolts,
the Night Owls,
Cool Kids,
Legion of Doom,
Electric Unicorns,
Boys Are Back,
Venomous Tigers,
Flippers,
Cosmic Atoms,
Funky Monkeys,
Robo-Girls.
and Fire-Breathing Fluffballs. Congrats to the original 130 teams, but a special shout out to
Sarah,
Annabelle,
Arna,
Gabriella,
Christine,
Lawrence,
Max,
Joshua,
Austin,
Angel,
Lincoln,
Aziza,
Alex,
Kylie,
David,
Natalia,
Robert,
Savannah,
Matthew,
Silas,
Logan,
Shahed,
Jason,
John,
Liam,
Ayana,
Jacob,
Brady,
Landon,
Christopher,
Ben,
Gabriel,
Wesley,
Alina,
Gabe,
Bailey,
Shane,
Haley,
Cross,
Addison,
Braylon,
Bella,
Caden,
Liliana,
Hayden,
Zoe,
Emily,
Dara,
Kyle,
Jasmine,
Lilian,
Eric,
Sienna,
Jackson,
Kira,
Obey,
Lauren,
Dylan,
Allie. And Mike, how about those Grand Blanc coaches? Want to tell us a little bit about them?
Well, good afternoon, Grand Blanc. I'm Mike Lorian, and I'm the quote-unquote coach of Wonder Workshop Education. Now, one of the things the team asked me was to go home and bring some Michigan paraphernalia, since I did live in Michigan for 8 years a while ago. And I could never bring myself to wear an M. So for today, I'm going to have the Grand Blanc colors, but also honor the alma mater of my wife, Michigan State. So we're Spartans today, along with being Bobcats for Grand Blanc. What I'd like to do is really congratulate the folks who put this together in Grand Blanc. First of all, Jenna Hauser, who's just done an amazing job in coordinating 650 fifth graders across a number of different schools to enter the competition and follow through with Grand Blanc's entries into our program. The second thing I want to do is make sure that we recognize all of the different coaches that have been involved. So Coach Ballard, Coach Cormany, Coach Stokowski, Coach Raher, Coach Yates, Coach Amato, Coach LaHaye, and Coach Harris for their outstanding work that they've done in bringing the following schools as part of the 14 finalist teams. So Brendel Elementary, Indian Hill Elementary, McGrath Elementary, Mason Elementary, Myers Elementary, the PIC, and Reed Elementary. So congratulations to all of you who've entered the final round. Now I'd like to announce one more thing that we're going to do, because really having a district-wide competition and sort of playoffs to enter the Wonder League final competition round is really unprecedented of what we've seen. And being a native, or I shouldn't say a native Michigander, but a former Michigander, I thought it'd be great if we could give you a little bit more incentive, not only now, but as you go forward, to improve and continue to develop your coding skills. Because when the driverless cars come out of the Buick plant up there in Flint, we're going to need people in Grand Blanc to really be able to figure out how to program those cars and the traffic flows and all those things. So great careers that you folks have as you graduate and as you enter the work world. So to help spur that on, we're going to offer our new Q robot to all of the winning teams from Grand Blanc as a prize and an incentive for you to do great work as you move into the final round that starts now. So again, congratulations to all the coaches, congratulations to all the administrators in Grand Blanc schools, and again, a big shout out to Jenna Hauser for all the work that she's done. And let's go get those Qs.
Congrats to all Grand Blanc 5th graders. You are amazing. Go Wonder League, go.